A female student was stabbed to death at the Catholic College of Mandeville in Williamsfield, Manchester on Monday. The deceased has been identified as 20-year-old Akelia White. The incident, which reportedly happened about midday, also resulted in a male student being stabbed. Preliminary reports are that 3 students were involved in a confrontation when a schoolboy inflicted stab wounds to a male student and a female student. Both injured students were taken to hospital, where the female student was pronounced dead and the other student hospitalized. The school has since ended classes for the day. A policeman was injured during a shootout with armed men on a motorcycle Monday morning in Kingston. The Corporate Communication Unit confirmed that the shootout happened at the corner of Waltham and Bay Farm Road after 5 a.m. According to the CCU, the police signaled 2 men riding on a motorcycle to stop. One of the men opened fire at the police, who returned the fire, hitting one of the men, who was later arrested and hospitalized. The policeman was also injured during the shootout. He was treated at hospital and released. A man was killed during an alleged dispute involving relatives, including his sisters. The incident occurred in Hertford, Westmoreland on Sunday night. He has been identified as Alwyn Beckford, otherwise called Sheng, a laborer from the community. According to Detective Superintendent of Police Dean Watson, who confirmed the incident with Observer Online, Beckford was hit with a stone during a confrontation. Reports from the police indicate that Beckford was at home with his fiancée when an argument developed between him and one of his sisters. During the argument, it is alleged that the 3 family members, including his sisters, began hurling stones at Beckford, one of which reportedly hit him on the left side of his head, causing a wound that bled profusely. Beckford later collapsed and was rushed to hospital, where he was pronounced. A man died as a result of injuries he sustained in a 2-vehicle crash on the Winston Jones Highway near Mandeville on Monday morning. Relatives named him as Carl Gale, 47, a graphic artist and a resident of New Green in Manchester. Preliminary reports are that about 3 a.m., Gale was driving a Nissan AD wagon uphill towards Mandeville when the vehicle crashed into a tractor-trailer, which was also traveling up.